my Mac of about 8 years, it's about 12 years old, has died. It literally won't boot. So, I bought another one. Hello and welcome to Jesse Sucks at Reselling. My name is Jesse and today we're going to be unboxing, I'm so excited, the MacBook Air M1. That's the one that came out a week or so ago, or a few weeks ago. I am very, very excited about it. It's almost like my old Mac was saying, go on, it's time to upgrade. So I did. Well, I didn't really have a choice. I had to upgrade to something and this is what I went for. At this point I would normally say please consider subscribing if you like this video. However, this is kind of an unusual video for this channel and the kind of unboxings we do are probably going to be reselling related. This is only loosely related to reselling. But if you're interested in reselling then please consider subscribing. Thanks. Let's crack on because I've been holding on to this since last night. I was waiting for good light. First thing I want to mention though, considering what's in this box, it's not the best box to package it in. Okay. I'm going in. It's like past the parcel. There's another box. Nothing reassuring in this box. So here is the inside box that it came in. So let's just cut through here. There. Oh my god. Oh my days. There it is. Upside down. So, as you can see, it is. Well, it's probably not focused, I'm probably the wrong way around. There it is. MacBook Air. Is there any information on this box? There is very, very little information on this actual box. So this is the base model MacBook Air M1. It's got 8GB of memory, 256GB SSD, and it's a 13-inch MacBook Air. And obviously there's all the other usual bits of information you get with it. Retina display, that's the display size, Touch ID, backlit, Magic Keyboard, Wi-Fi, yeah, the usual. You don't want to know about that. So let's open it. So we start off with a little tab here. I'm scared. Oh my god. The cellophane is off. The box just literally lifts off. Oh, it smells new. It smells new. So there is the actual MacBook Air. It's, oh my god, it is far lighter than the MacBook Pro I've got. Like, yeah. And then it has the usual Apple stuff. And charging cable, well, charging brick, and the charging cable. Very interesting stuff, I'm sure. It smells different from other Macs I've owned. I don't know if you know, if you have a Mac, they've got a very distinctive smell to them. And this doesn't smell like it, it smells different. Oh my word. Oh, it does have an unscrewable bottom. I didn't, because the recent Macs, a lot of them don't, the bottoms can't be taken off, but these have got screws in. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Not you do it because it's always the one chip now rather than separate components. I'm not sure how useful that would be, but good to know. There's so few ports on it as well. I'm glad it has the 3.5mm jack, because I use wired headphones. I don't own wireless ones, and obviously it has two Thunderbolt ports of USB, which compare with USB-C. So little. Annoyingly, it doesn't have an SD card reader. So I've got one on order, but it means I can't edit any footage that I do on this camera until that arrives. It's due to arrive on Monday. So before I finished, I thought it'd be interesting to see what it's like on first startup. So let's have a look. So there's no power on switch, and it's got that little chime back. Ooh, that keyboard. That did turn on quite quickly. Okay, I'll come back to you in a minute when I set it up. So it's all now set up and ready to go. It took a bit longer to set up than I thought it would, because it has to set up a few little things to make it work, but now it's running. It feels really weird to have the latest version of macOS, because I've been stuck on El Capitan for the last 2 years, so this is going to be fun to explore and get to know and actually be able to install stuff. Although there's going to be a bit of a transitioning period because it uses a different chip. Anyway, I am blathering on. That's what this video was, an unboxing of the new M1 MacBook Air. I can't believe how silent it is. No fans. Anyway, if you liked this video and would like to see more reselling content, then please do consider subscribing. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.